Hi everyone, welcome back to English Flow Talks.
Today's episode is for a very specific feeling,
A very uncomfortable feeling.
a feeling every English learner knows.
That moment when someone talks to you,
You understand,
but suddenly you don't know what to say.
your mind goes blank.
No grammar lesson today,
No exercises.
just a real conversation.
About surviving real conversations.
Let's start with the moment itself, the exact moment everyone knows.
The freeze.
You're in a conversation, everything feels okay.
You're listening carefully.
You're following the ideas.
You're even nodding your head.
You're thinking to yourself, okay, I understand this.
Inside your head, you feel calm.
You feel safe.
You feel like, yes, I'm doing fine.
Then something changes.
The other person stops talking.
There's a small silence.
They look at you,
They really look at you.
and they wait.
They're not angry.
They're not rude.
They're just waiting for your answer.
Maybe they ask something very simple.
Something you've heard before.
Do you agree?
What do you think?
How about you?
And logically, you know the answer.
You have an opinion.
You've thought about this before. But suddenly,
Your body reacts before your brain.
your heart starts beating faster.
You feel it in your chest.
Your breathing changes.
It becomes shallow.
Your mouth feels dry.
Your tongue feels heavy.
And your brain,
Feels empty.
not confused.
Empty.
It's like someone turned off the lights.
All the words disappear.
And the worst part is,
You know the words.
you studied them.
You've seen them before,
You understand the grammar.
but nothing comes out.
Your mouth doesn't move.
Your voice doesn't start.
That silence,
Feels very loud.
it feels longer than it really is.
5 seconds feels like 1 minute.
And inside your head, another voice appears.
A very critical voice.
It says things like,
Say something.
they're waiting.
You're taking too long.
And that voice makes everything worse.
Much worse.
So you start to panic.
Internally.
You smile,
You pretend you're okay.
but inside,
You feel exposed.
this is the freeze.
And if this has happened to you,
You are not alone. A lot of learners say the same thing. Different people, same sentence.
I know English.
But I can't speak.
And when people say that,
They usually sound frustrated.
almost disappointed with themselves.
Sometimes they say it softly,
Sometimes they laugh.
but it's not a happy laugh.
It's a nervous laugh.
And then they add something else.
I need more vocabulary.
Or
I need more grammar.
the classic one.
I need more confidence.
And these things sound logical.
They sound reasonable.
But here's the truth.
The problem is usually not knowledge.
It's pressure.
Pressure to say the right thing.
Pressure to say it the right way.
Pressure to sound fluent.
Pressure to sound natural.
Pressure to sound smart.
Pressure to not make mistakes.
And that pressure is heavy.
Very heavy. Because when you speak,
You feel exposed.
your accent is there.
Your pauses are there.
Your mistakes are there.
And you feel like people can see everything.
But real conversations don't work like that.
At all.
People don't analyze your grammar.
They listen to your message.
They don't expect perfection.
They expect connection.
And most native speakers,
Are not perfect speakers either.
they hesitate.
They repeat.
They change sentences in the middle.
That's normal speech.
That's real English. So when you say,
I know English, but
what you really mean is,
I'm afraid to speak under pressure. And that fear is completely human. When your mind goes blank.
your brain is not broken.
It's protecting you.
From social danger,
Judgment.
embarrassment,
Looking stupid.
So your brain chooses silence.
because silence feels safer,
This happens in your native language too.
but less often.
English just adds more pressure.
More fear.
Here's something important.
You don't need full sentences
Native speakers don't speak in full sentences.
all the time.
We say things like,
Yeah, right.
I see.
Those are answers,
Real answers. Silence feels bad.
but short sounds feel natural.
Sometimes you need time.
That's okay.
You can say,
Let me think.
that's a good question. Native speakers do this all the time.
All the time.
It's not cheating.
It's communication.
Let's imagine a real situation.
You're at work.
Or school.
Someone asks.
So, how was your weekend?
Your brain panics.
But you say,
It was good.
that's enough.
Very natural.
Then maybe,
Relaxing.
not too busy.
Short answers work.
They invite the other person to continue. If your mind goes blank,
You're not bad at English.
you're human.
And learning.
Speaking is a skill.
Not a test.
You don't need perfect English.
You need real English.
Next time your mind goes blank,
Breathe.
say something small.
Anything.
English is not about performance.
It's about connection.
Thank you for staying with us.
And remember, you are doing better than you think.